time for another reaction video of Beanie to their newest podcast. Yoo-hoo! Wow! So, here we go. Love Doctor Episode 1, Fact or Myth. Let's go watch it. So excited for this. It's been a long time to hear them doing podcast. Let's go.
2, 3.
Mabuhay!
Hi, I'm Maloy.
I'm Stacy.
I'm Colette.
I'm Joanna.
I'm Sheena.
I'm Gwen.
Hi, Mika.
Hi, I'm Aya.
And we are Beanie. Welcome to the Love Clinic.
Let's go.
Today we'll be your unqualified love doctors.
Oh.
Come right in.
Came right
For our
in.
first segment, Fact or Myth.
Or myth.
Number 3. Ay, nako, trigger ako sa mga number.
Number 3 na agad.
If they love you, they will know what you're thinking. Myth.
Hmm.
Si Gwen kasi may lakad. Myth.
Myth.
Myth. Same.
Okay,
It's
myth
myth.
you.
Bakit? Wala.
Pero actually, ako partially fact. Kasi di ba yung parang if they love you, they somewhat know.
Yeah.
All the time.
Pero like,
Yes, not
Kaya
all the
partially
time.
fact.
It depends.
Hindi kasi mahuhula yung tao.
Correct.
True naman.
Diyan nagkaka-misunderstanding kasi akala ko alam mo na yung about sa akin.
You got it, Sheena.
yung mag-communicate.
Yeah, the communication is the
Somewhat
key.
ano siya, madidiscover mo siya throughout the relationship.
Yes.
Dami nang alam.
Ganun ba?
I love.
Okay, girls, listen up. Be ready. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, all of you. Okay. And reflect.
Wow.
If you're truly in love, you won't be attracted to anyone else.
Yes. It's true.
Oh, what's your answer?
Fact.
Palagyan na lang po ng warning.
Fact.
Why, Ate Maloy?
Explain ka ngayon, Maloy.
Maloy's podcast.
Maloy's podcast.
Seven sisters.
Why, Bebe
Kung kontento ka na, hindi ka na maghahanap ng iba, ganun yun.
Totoo. It's a fact. Ewan ko, kasi feeling ko kapag in love ka na sa jowa mo, sa kanya ka na lang may a-attract.
Correct.
Parang ganun.
Hindi ka maghahanap ng iba.
Kasalanan naman talaga. Bigyan nyo naman yung iba na walang jowa. Huwag nang magdami kayo.
Totoo.
Ano ba?
Hindi, pero syempre,
nagkakajowa yung mga tao.
syempre, hindi ba iiwasan yun? Syempre, hindi.
Galit na
Pag
galit.
celebrity crush, okay lang.
You're attracted. Okay lang pa.
Robot crush.
Pero
Yeah.
yung in love,
Parang in a fun way, okay lang yung ganun.
Admire.
Pero kung tumitingin ka sa ibang babae habang naglalakad kayo.
Iba yung wonder.
Correct.
Or pag nagla-like ng mga ano.
Ay,
Ibang usapan naman.
ibang usapan
Kasi
talaga.
di ba parang it's about faithfulness.
Or ano.
It's about faithfulness. I love that.
Sabi naman yun.
I love it, Mika.
Number 6. A good relationship should always feel easy. So parang pag nasa healthy,
That's how you know it's a good relationship.
Everything is easy.
You are in a healthy...
Ako, fact.
Myth.
Oh. Humahati.
Walang
Humahati.
depende, te.
Meron ba fact and myth yung title, di ba? May depende ba? Fact, myth, depende.
Bunot na naman si
Mika.
Mika.
Ikaw muna sumagot.
Sagot ka na. Ako, myth. 5.
Sagot ka na.
3.
Life and death, ano to
2.
1.
Fact. Ako rin fact.
Hati.
Sa mga
Or
fact,
for
bakit
ang
fact?
sagot.
Sa mga fact.
Okay, go.
Kasi for me, yung hindi lang easy doon, yung situation, but when you have a good partner, it will make it easier.
Kuha mo,
na
Gwenny.
ma-resolve, ganun. Kaya yun yung
I like
hindi
that,
na
Gwenny. Yes.
Mas magiging easy siya. But yung
Fact ako.
situation, yun yung mahirap siguro. Yung magkayo.
Siguro for me, depende pa rin sa partner mo kung paano niya i-handle yung situation.
Depende. It's a
Good relationship.
Hindi, tsaka ano, parang the definition for me of a good relationship, yung nagko-communicate kayo and nare-resolve nyo without breaking up talaga, yung mga
Parang
ganong...
lahat ng problems easy.
Oo.
Correct.
Kasi
Alam mo na kung paano ayusin.
Galing, galing.
Yung sagot natin, depende sa tingin natin sa
Wow.
sa ano,
May pagkakaiba tayong
Depende sa
lahat.
relasyon.
Okay, valid.
Respect.
Respect.
Sa ano na to,
Kailan natin tayo eh.
Number 15.
Kaya nga.
You should always feel butterflies when you're in love.
Myth.
Myth.
Ito, fact din talaga.
Myth.
Ang Joshi.
Meet.
Ako dito na yan.
Myth.
Ako, fact.
Ako myth.
Alam niyo, bata pa
Why?
talaga.
Oh, nice one, Colette. Why? Why?
Yeah.
Iba-ibang POV to. O,
Ano sabi
ba?
different relationship, different pronunciation. Different direction, different ways.
One direction.
Yeah. May iba kasi na
Direction, different, one
pero may-
direction.
Okay, sino nag-explain?
Explain.
Sino mga nag-fact?
Sino hindi pa nag-explain?
Sila, fact.
Go.
I mean, gusto ko naman narinig si Joanne.
It's myth for me.
Hindi, gusto ko naman
Kasi
nalaman
ikaw
na
yung
bakit
nag-fact.
You're not always gonna feel butterflies when you are in love.
Basta pag, halimbawa, narinig mo lang yung pangalan. May mga times na gano'n, hindi lang to sa akin. Di ba?
Okay.
Myth. Kasi yun
May
na,
word
parang
kasi-
not all the time kailangan mong
Stop
kiligin.
muna. May word kasing always. So, for me, it's not always. Di ba? Gets niyo ba? Bini nag-uusap, sumasali ako. Basta meet. Kasi, you cannot always feel the butterflies when you are in love. Kasi, like for example, hindi naman laging happy, hindi naman laging kilig-kilig lang. Siyempre, dadaan din kayo sa struggles and everything, no? So, same thing na you will not always feel butterflies, especially if tumatanda na. Hoy! Tumatanda. And, yeah, as you grow older, syempre nagmamature din kayo. Hindi na lang all about sa kilig-kilig and feeling butterflies. So, yeah, it's a myth. Ay, may lumipat
Kasi,
from
kunwari,
fact
pag
to myth.
lagi kayo nagsasama ng jowa mo, hindi
Si
maiiwasan na
Maloy.
parang di ka may in love.
Ay, hindi,
always.
si Stako. Okay,
Basta
si
siya,
Stako
myth
yung
siya
lumipat.
kasi hindi siya nag-agree na kailangan
Dapat
lagi may
lagi kang
butterflies.
kiligin. Oh,
Ganon.
See,
Ikaw,
that's
ay, ako myth. Pero ako kasi, ang tawag doon,
this is so serious.
hopeless romantic. So, akala ko
Pati
na
ako
parang
nasiseryoso
dapat
sa
may
mga
mga
sagutan
butterflies
nila.
lagi. Kasi if in love ka, parang you can work it out and then have butterflies every day. Pero, may times talaga siguro na hindi siya nagkakaroon ng spark and parang normal siya. And for me,
pero
It's
that's just
normal.
my opinion.
Mali, myth pala kami. Hindi namin narinig yung word na you should always.
Yeah. Oh,
Ang
see?
narinig ko lang, feel butterflies when you're in love. Yeah,
Oh, see?
tama. Hindi siya always.
Not always.
There will always be times na,
Sa magsasawa
chill lang.
Or pwedeng always, hindi lang should.
Hindi siya should, hindi siya requirement.
Okay, next na nga.
Never go to bed angry.
Fact.
Go.
Myth.
Fact.
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 Okay na. Hello?
Myth ako.
Fact.
Myth.
Bakit myth? Curious ako.
Kasi may mga
Sige.
bagay na parang hindi, mas
just wanna
mag-work
hear
siya
them.
kung hindi mo nyo muna pag-uusapan ngayon.
True
na
naman.
nangyari.
Depende sa tao.
Pero kasi medyo mahirap din yung yung
Go
sentence
to
na to
bed.
kasi angry yung ginamit na
Oh,
word.
angry.
So,
Sobrang strong ng word.
Na yeah.
Kung angry, siguro fact. Pero kung tampo lang,
Ako
myth.
feeling ko ako kahit tampo or like,
Better na Mars.
Better.
So, pero
Better
depende
na
sa
Mars.
tao.
Gets ko yung ano mo, pero feeling ko hindi
Ayaw mo
over.
siya i-absorb.
O hindi over.
Or
Pero
at
iba-iba
least
kasi.
ano,
Yaw mo na.
ikaw Maloy, bakit myth for you?
Kasi, yun nga, parang katulad din ng sinabi ni Jo, parang kung hindi nyo siya kayang i-resolve ng within the day or bago matapos yung araw,
Pakalmahin mo
hindi
na.
mo siya kailangan
Yeah.
pilitin. Kasi ang hirap din na pagpapangunahan ka ng galit,
Correct.
ng emotions. So, parang mas okay na palipasin muna. Kasi, paggabi at peace ka na eh. Makakatulog ka, makakapag-isip ka.
Correct.
So, pag kinabukasan, parang ma-realize mo, okay, kaya ako nagalit, kaya ako
Maloy,
nagalit kasi
you got
ganito
it.
yung nangyari.
Tsaka-
So, parang mas ma-re-assess mo siya within the night.
tsaka
Ay, sorry, Jo. Correct. Actually, meet ako. I experienced it, of course. Hindi palaging dapat within the day or overnight mare-resolve. May times talaga na palilipasin nyo muna bago nyo ma-resolve. And I agree to Maloy na mas okay na pakalmahin muna natin yung sarili natin. Itulog mo muna yan. Makapag-isip-isip ka bago nyo pag-usapan. Kasi if hindi humuhupa yung tampo or galit man yan sa isa't isa, wala. Away at away pa rin yung kahihinatnan nyo. So, it's a myth. Ang dami ko sinabi, ba't ako sumasali sa Bini? Bini lang dapat nag-explain. Eto na, game na.
Depende din siya sa personal. Halimbawa ako, kilala ko yung sarili ko. Na kapag galit ako, iba naman talaga ako alam mo yun, iba talaga
Baka may mga mabitaw kong salita.
Baka mag-break pa
lahat
kayo
talaga
dyan
lang
sa night
masasakit
na
na
yan.
salita. Minsan nasasabi ko pag galit ako. So, might as well, i-calm down ko yung sarili ko before
That's just
ako.
us. That's
Oo.
just me.
Yes.
That's
Yes,
just
it
me.
depends.
Pero
Sa tao.
tama naman kasi feeling ko, 'di ba, nakakapag-decide tayo based on anong nafe-feel
Oo.
natin at the moment.
Correct,
So
correct.
pangit naman na mag-decide, magbigay ka ng alam mo, magbitaw ka ng salita tapos i-regret mo din.
Valid yung need mo muna ng time off, pero yung iba kasi hindi need overnight
Night.
para ma-realize yan. Yung iba, sige, 1 hour muna tayo hindi magano, kahit nga ilang minutes lang.
25
Pero kasi paano kung inaantok ka na talaga? Pagod
Ay,
ka
iba na
drain
yun.
ka na.
Antok ka na.
Pero kasi feeling ko, kailangan na natin pumunot kasi naman.
Ay, haba.
Pinutol na ni Gwen.
to stay in a bad relationship than be alone.
No.
Syempre! I-next na natin yan. Huwag na natin explain yan.
Huwag na myth to.
Myth na yan.
Common sense na yan.
Common sense.
Common sense.
alone my entire
Correct. Even me.
Self-love, ano?
I'd rather be alone.
Okay.
Puta na tatlo
Love
eh.
can conquer all problems.
No!
Myth.
Money.
Money can
Money can conquer all problems.
Wait lang, answer. Myth na myth.
Myth naman talaga. Myth.
All except
Ay, kayo. Kasi answer ko yun eh.
Ako myth.
Myth. All problem.
Ay, wait lang. General ba na love? Ay, sige ako. Fact. Ako fact.
Wow.
Love.
Okay.
Fact.
Facts
Ay.
sila.
All problems.
All problem.
Ako fact.
Uy, hindi kaya. Fact.
Ano siya, generally, hindi lang siya love towards the other person, love for yourself. Like, meron kang ma-resolve na mga problems na ikaw lang yung makaka-resolve na hindi mo kailangan ng ibang tao.
Oh, I like that.
is love.
Oh, gani.
Nice one,
Sa akin
Gwen.
din parang same with Maloy na parang generic love. Like example, your love towards work, not just love romantic, pero love in general. Yung parang ang dami mo ma-save, ma-heal, ma-work on, ganun.
Ako, kung ganyan,
Sumagot na ako.
fact siya. Pero kung may gusto akong bilhin, hindi pwede love ibayad.
Love mo, baby.
Oo.
Kulit.
Okay, next. 50-50.
Fact ako doon. Okay. Based sa mga sagot nila. Hindi. Pero fact. I agree.
Gets. Long distance relationships never work.
Aww. Myth.
Sagot mo na.
Fact.
Fact.
Myth. Myth.
Okay. Okay. 5
Opinion niya
out of
naman.
8 sa fact.
Respect!
It works if you work it out.
Oh. Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya.
No, Aya.
True love.
I'm in a long distance relationship right now. So, well, kung pipiliin nyo naman yung isa't isa, di ba? Hanggang dulo, it will work. Alright? Basta, we have condition, well, love ko unconditionally, pero before kasi maging kami, sinabi ko na if may cheating na magaganap, no second chance. So, yun lang naman yung hinihingi ko. Di ba? As a long distance relationship kasi hindi talaga siya madali. So, for me, it's myth. It's, oh my God, wait. Wala pa naman kasi kami sa dulo. So, we're still in the process, no? Pero, for me, no, personally, if you will work it out, magiging kayo at kayo talaga na walang problema sa long distance. Ganun lang naman. So, ang dami ko pang gusto sabihin pero it's Vinny's time. Sorry, nakikisali talaga si ate mo girl.
Love happens instantly. Myth.
Myth.
Happens?
Myth.
Instantly?
No.
Like example, alam mo yung mga
First sight.
Love at first sight.
sight,
Love at
ganun.
first sight. Ganyan.
I don't believe in that.
Si Sheena.
Love at
Fact.
first sight.
Fact?
Feeling ko sa iba, fact.
Pwede fact.
Myth.
Like Ate Maan, di ba?
Oh, di ba? May mga...
Oh.
Ikaw,
Hindi,
firstly.
first relationship naman yun. Ano ba to?
Ano ba to?
Hindi kasi iba yung love at first sight sa in love.
True love. Nakalagay. True love
True love
happens instantly.
Hindi siya love at first sight.
It's not.
Pero true love.
Kumbaga true love, iba yung true love sa love at first sight.
Correct.
Hindi porket nagustuhan ko to, true love na yun.
Ay, ang galing mo dun, Sheena.
Gets ba?
Jo.
Oo nga, true love. Myth dapat. Pero kung love at first sight, fact.
Hindi, yun nga. True love nga. So, true love happens instantly, myth.
Myth.
Okay.
Oo, myth. Yung ano.
Ang galing nyo. O, Jo. Naguluhan si Jo. Naguluhan to si Jo.
Respect. Relationship happens.
Nawawala na sa
True love
sarili.
happens
Si Jo.
instantly. Myth. Okay.
Myth. May nag-fact?
Myth.
Myth. Okay, lahat sila myth.
Okay na yun.
Not instantly.
Hindi, self-explanatory na yun. Self-explanatory.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
That's
for
it.
visiting our love clinic.
Thank you, Winnie.
Next appointment.
Wow. That's 12 minutes already. That's too fast. But wow, I enjoyed that episode. 'Di ba? Na talagang based on their personal opinion or maybe experience. Joke! Alam ko naman na, experience, why not? No? We're not just talking about relationship, romantic relationship in that episode, of course. Meron din love for work, di ba? Like what they say kanina. And that's what I love to Bini. Na talagang they gonna give, no, their perspective when it comes to that topic, no? So, I'm excited for more episode ng Love Doctor. And thank you, Bini, for having a new podcast na talagang aabangan ng mga blooms. And mas, syempre, makikilala pa kayo how you will think on the things. So, based sa mga sagot nyo, syempre. Thank you for that kind of episode. See you on the next podcast. And thank you, Blooms, for, excuse me po, subscribing and liking my videos and commenting kind words. Thank you so much. Actually, I'm just doing this for fun. I'm not even gonna I just don't want, well, ang gulo na. Itigil ko na kaya to. I just want to say thank you to all the supports. Thank you for joining me watching Bini. And I hope you also enjoy it. See you on my next reaction video. Bye!